Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can very easily and quickly lock the Photos app on your iPhone iOS 18. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure to put your likes under this video and also write, friends, your comments. So, let's get started with you and me. First of all, you will need to, in order to lock Photos app, find your gallery. After that, you will need to tap and hold on this app. Next, friends, select the option to apply Face ID here. Next, tap once again Apply Face ID. After that, your face will be scanned and the feature locked in the Photo app will be activated. What does this Face ID scanning give you? When you enter the gallery, before you enter the gallery, you'll be asked to scan your Face ID. Now I'm going to show you how this works. As you can see, my face was scanned first. After that only I was able to enter my gallery. If someone else takes your phone and wants to access your gallery to see your photos and videos, they won't be able to do that. So such a feature adds privacy to your gallery. Dear friends, I really hope this video was useful and helpful to you. Don't forget to put likes and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.